Hey everybody, welcome back. I'm going to do today uh, a battery swap on a on the thing that you're seeing. A little smartwatch, that's what it's technically called. It's a little smartwatch. But it's not like one of the smartwatches that has um a name on it, like the Samsung watches, Fit watches and things like that. Um it's kind of a I call it I call it in between where there's a bootleg and a cheapo. I guess it's considered technically in the class of a bootleg, but not as inferior as a bootleg where you can't use the product. This one's kind of more you can use it and it works. I bought this unit a couple of months ago. I saw smartwatches. The one selling three cases, like three of these little things for $15. I got one of them. It is trademarked by somebody, but it isn't bad. It's not a hard watch. Like I said, it's not a fancy one. Like this one, this is an iWatch. This is one of those iWatches for Apple. Um, and as you can see, it's kind of trying to imitate. This one's trying to imitate what this one is. So, but yeah, this is one of the iWatches. I'm trying to do stuff with it. Blah 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 blah. But this is why I call it a cheapo. Um, but yeah, it's not working. But I have done stuff, and the speaker quality is pretty good. I just gotta figure out what I gotta do, or I already know what to do. I need to open the back. One part of the back opens up. There we go. So the problem is that this right here, oh, is damaged because I know it's bloated because I can feel the bloated patch where it kind of is bloated up. It's not too terrible like anything else. So, yeah, I got this bloated little boy. So I already went ahead and I got a new one. See, all all new. So it's good for this one. Also, is why I was saying the difference between a boot. I feel like a difference between a bootleg and a cheapo is that a bootleg wouldn't have anything more crazy. I believe, like inside. This is all like the insides of it. Um, so it has its own thing where like a bootleg is soldered on thing and you can't repair it. This thing was actually like you can repair it. And when I call it cheapo, I think this one's the better one. I think the other ones that I had sold because all I had to do was some other work, um, made of a plasticky material almost. This one has a heavier kind of a metal feel to it. Maybe a little bit of plasticky, but that's why I call it a cheapo. It has some weird stuff. Hopefully, if this battery's okay, I might show you after it charges. But um, I do definitely know that it was a battery problem because before I sold the other ones away, this one had a battery issue that I needed to fix. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Like I was saying, the other two, when I got them, they didn't want to do anything, so I had to do a little bit of pressing, and that was eventually when I had it on the charger. It responded. So it made itself charged up and they turned on and they started charging and they held their charge. So it wasn't like I needed three new whole batteries like this one did, like this little green one did. I needed a whole new battery. Hmm. No, this one needed a whole new battery. Um, so I'm hoping to see if this one will charge. These things they weren't too bad. There was some crazy stuff, and it said it required different things, and I think there was a questionable app. I'm not quite sure. Again, bootleg and cheapo, and but it worked as a clock. It functions pretty well. I don't know about the calling or texting capabilities of this. Um, I didn't really ask my friend when I sold it to how it worked. So yeah, we'll definitely, I'll definitely try to see if this. Well, I highly doubt the power is on. Yeah, it's gonna need a charge. Probably gonna need a charger. Oh, there we go. Yeah, you can see now. This is may say that this is bootleg, but yeah, um, it has like the fake kind of ID thing. Um, but yeah, it functions. That's the weird part. It does function. As you can see, like Bluetooth. There's another section right here. Yeah, images. See, like Facebook, Twitter. Um, I don't even know. I don't even know what the Google Chrome does. Warning, downloading. Yeah, so that's why I got like this one and this one. No, this one apparently has somebody saying, I don't know, I think might be uh locked forever. May look for like other ones that may not be locked, and it could be like transformed, whatever. Yeah, this one still works. I think this one's probably completely dead, and it probably needs like a charger for it, and see if it's fucking locked too. So yeah, I kind of wish again. I kind of wish Apple stuff didn't have fucking locks on them. I haven't tried finding Samsung watches. I'll probably try to see them. That would probably be something down the line. Probably get one for myself, where a lot of people have mostly the iWatch stuff. So that's just a hope. So yeah, well, that was just my thing. I'll let you know what else happens. So, bye.